Polling feature for WordPress and BuddyPress. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you the polling feature for WordPress and BuddyPress. With this feature, your members can create polling, and then, other members can make a vote. First, you need to install and activate the Youzify Pro version. You can purchase it on Code Canyon. Please click URL on the video description to go to the product page. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to Youzify panel, General Settings, and Wall Settings. Next, navigate to Control Wall Posts Visibility and make sure Polls Type is enabled. And then, you also can set any Polls Form settings and Polls Post settings. On the Polls Form settings, you can enable or disable multiple options, enable or disable poll options images, make options images require, set polls options limit, and select default poll voting mode. On the Polls Post settings, you can enable or disable poll results, enable or disable revoting, show or hide voters list, set maximum voters to show, and select default polls post to view. Let's see the results. We will test to create a polling on the activity stream. You can select to allow people give a multiple vote or not. And then, I am log in with another account and give a vote to that polling. This feature is awesome, right? Thank you for watching. And see you in the next